Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make text larger in Snapchat app. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. So, first of all, open up your phone settings. Then scroll down a little bit here and go to Control Center. And here you'll want to make sure that you have a shortcut like text size, that you have it in this first menu, that it's active. If it's not, then it will be in the second menu. You'll be able to find it. And in order to add it, you just need to click on the plus next to it, and then it will go straight up here. And that's actually the end of it in the phone settings. Now you can go to Snapchat. Let's go to, let's say, Chats. And in order to increase the text size here, you'll need to swipe down on the right side to go to the Control Center. Here you find the text size shortcut that you just added, and come to it. And here, as you can see, you can increase the text size, for example, only in the Snapchat app or in all apps. Then, there's going to be a scale like this here, and you can see by this scale how the text is increasing. And also at the top, it will say text size in percentages. Let's say you want to increase the text, and in order to do that, you're going to need to go up to 190%. And in order to do that, you might need to log out again. And now you can see that the size has increased significantly. So that's the simple way, folks, you can make text larger in the Snapchat app. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. So please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also write your comments. And see you soon, friends.